All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about giving stuff away. All right, so I'm gonna have 3 prize packs available to anyone. In order to enter, you just have to be a subscriber and comment down below. In a couple weeks, I will do a live drawing and I will pick 3 winners, open worldwide. All right, so first package is from Matco. Thanks to Robbie, he graciously gave me this stuff to give away. First part of it is a Matco Bernie jacket. It's not the heavy one that I'm wearing, but it's a nice jacket. I have one. It's a very nice jacket. Second part of it is this coffee cup, or whatever beverage you want to put into it. That's from Robbie, my Matco dealer. All right, second prize pack, this AI OBD mini scan tool from Launch. Thanks to Launch for giving it to me so I can give away. And from Mueller Cups, included with the mini scan tool is these unihooks. You can hang brake calipers with them. I have a set. They're aluminum. They're bendable. They come in handy. I use actually a set of these all day. Every time I do a brake job, they hang on one of these. Third prize pack. Third prize, not really in any order, just third one, is the C-Reader 3008 by Launch. And there'll be a review on this tool as well. Nice little handy scan tool. It's got some cool features. So look for the review on that. But I'm giving stuff away. So enter down below. Just a little thank you from me to my subscribers. I appreciate you, everybody watching my videos. Enter down below. I know you're going to comment, so thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.